Hi, I'm Bev of BEB Contract and Legal Services, and I've been running my business here locally in Northampton for the past 10 years. The business has grown over that time, and a couple of years ago we just decided we just cannot grow the business and employ the staff without having a system in place that would manage the processes for us. I knew of Web Alliance from my BNI connections, and so I contacted him, and he came in to explain what a CRM was, because if I'm honest, I hadn't a clue. He was amazing. He explained it all to us. We told him how we'd like to work, and he just kept saying, yes, he can do it. Yes, he can do it. Yes, he can do it. I almost didn't believe him. But do you know what? He delivered. I don't know how I'd run my business without that CRM now. We have access to it on the road. My clients have access to it so they can see how we're managing their contracts. Nothing falls through black holes and cracks anymore, because everybody in the office follows the same system. If someone's out, we can check where they are with every job that they're working on. It's transformed my business. I really couldn't have grown it without it. I most certainly would recommend Web Alliance to anybody who is looking for a CRM system, especially if they have got contract management and time issues. Then it's an absolute must. He's just so good, he's approachable, his knowledge is amazing, and his delivery of the system and his support is second to none.